kamusta lahat? Good morning world. Ayan guys, dahil breakfast natin today ay meron dong tirang dalawang saging guys. So nilagyan lang natin ng isang cup na cornstarch. Then meron tayong dalawang itlog. So dahil wala naman tayong sugar, konting asin na lang po at saka konting gatas. May nakita pa akong fresh milk. So ayan guys, ito na po yung ating niremix. So, meron na rin po tayong isinalang. Ito lang po yung breakfast namin today, guys. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, everyone.